Shashmita, Guru Ishwari, and Guru Dhanusha. So we have about 10 gurus in our group, right? All right, so this is our promo video. Let's have a look at it. Okay, Vanessa? Vanessa, yeah, no sound. Vanessa, reminder to record.
Why do we need to join EVA with us?
But because it teaches us good values.
What do we learn on Value Day? We learn truth, right conduct, peace, love, and non-violence.
Swami's Day, we learn about Swami's life story and his messages. And on Interfaith Day, we learn about God forms, religions, and culture. We have exciting activities and online games for all of you. Dear parents and children, we would like to encourage and welcome all of you to join us in this e-Balvikas for year 2021. Thank you. Sai Ram. Hi Ram, dear parents.
All right, so dear parents, this is our promo video for group 1. All right, so let's move on to the next slide. All right, so before we before we start, let's go through the guidelines that students need to follow for the online class. So first is to ensure their microphones are on mute and your video is turned off, and any questions via chat box. Once the session is ended, gurus will look back at the questions and we will answer them. Right. Next is the parents' guidance. So make sure if your child is all right, so make sure if your child is new to online class, make sure they have parents' guidance or any elder people around them to assist them. And the next is to make sure we have quiet environment to avoid any distractions. Right. All right, next is to compulsory to wear white attire. We don't encourage children to wear sleeveless. Girls, make sure you have scarf with you during online class, and boys, white attire. And no headphones and earphones in online class. All right, the last is do not eat during class. So we don't encourage children to eat during class. Drinking, yes, can, but not eating. Okay. All right, so now let's look into what do we learn in our classes. All right, so basically we will learn 5 psi values, 5 truth, love, non-violence, peace, and right conduct. So these are the 5 psi values that students will learn. And now we will look into how these values are integrated in a lesson. So I will pass to Auntie Chitra. Auntie, you on mute. Auntie, you on mute.
Okay. Okay, can you hear me?
So yes, can.
Salam, dear parents and children, welcoming all of you to our Balvikas Group 1 2021. Okay, here just now, Sandhya already, Guru Sandhya was already told the guidelines, everything, right? Okay, now let me tell what we are learning in Balvikas Group 1. Okay, some children here, some parents and children new for Group 1. Some of them, they are already earlier, they come from nursery. Okay, from nursery is the basic only. But come back here, what we are learning is Swami's Day. Okay, this is Swami's Day. Before this, I just would like to say a few things about our class. Actually, we divide 4. One is Swami's Day, second value, third is interfaith, and fourth, earlier Anjula already informed in the main call. Okay, the fourth is Go Green. So all together we cover 32 weeks, January until October, we cover our lesson for 32 weeks. So we divide each lesson for 10 week for Swami's week, another 10 week for value week, another 10 week for interfaith. So all these 30 weeks ready, and 2 weeks for Go Green. We will cover that. Okay. Let's see what will happen in Swami's week. Actually, okay, next slide, Cynthia. The earlier slide, yeah. Okay, Swami's week, we will cover about Namavali. Namavali is Swami's, the Asostram, Swami's name. So this is 108 name. Each year we will cover 18. So we don't take 108 in the group 1. We will divide to group 1 and group 2. Now our children will be in the group 1, right? Okay, so they will learn. Okay, before that, I would like to say that our children here 6, 7, and 8, they will be here. Each year they will we will cover the Namavali for 18. Following year another 18, and 18 we will cover all these 54. Another 54 they will cover in group 2. So come back here. What we learn in Swami's week, another one is Swami is the incarnation of Shirdi Sai Baba. So we will learn the birth of Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, and also his family history about him in Swami's week. For further details about Swami's week, we will inform in the next week for the welcoming week. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, value week. What we learn in value week? In this value week, we will cover 5 values, that is called truth, peace, non-violence, love, and right conduct. Okay. Next slide. And also, wait, the previous slide, please. And also, children will learn mantras based on the different form of God. Okay, next slide. Okay, Ganesha mantra, Gayatri mantra, Amman mantra, Muruga mantra. Okay, we will learn some other mantras also. All these we will apply on the value week. Okay, other than mantras, we will cover on the story, activity, song, all based on the value. Okay, and interfaith, children will learn about the God form, and religious and culture about others and ours also. Okay, slide please. Okay, Ganesha and family, Jesus Christ, Murugan. Next. Guru Nanak, Kuan Yin, Buddhism. Okay, all this, now you can see the pictures, right? Okay, in this picture, each and, okay, for example, we are talking about Guru Nanak. We will learn about Guru Nanak on the same thing. We will teach about the activity of the Guru Nanak and the books, what they do in the Gurdwara, where they will go and what they are doing, what is the service that they are doing that. All these children will learn, not only our own one, different God form also, children will learn and they will get the knowledge from here. Okay, for example, just now you saw the, what is that? Ganesha. Okay, Ganesha's one, we will pick about Ganesha's family. Okay, Ganesha's family, and then we will pick up about Ganesha's mantras, Ganesha's song, and related on the activity about Ganesha also. And we will tell about Ganesha's story as well. And Ganesha's mantra, you know, the earlier I told that value week we will teach the mantra, isn't it? Okay, on the mantra, same mantra we will apply in the interfaith week also. So in that case, children will, what is it? They will do the revision. If let's say Ganesha mantra Vakratunda, the previously in nursery, some children is already learned. But come back here, some of them, they are very new for Bal Vikas. They didn't attend the nursery class, but they attend group 1 directly. So we will pick Ganesha Mantra, Vakratunda also, and include in the interfaith week. Okay, next. Okay, Go Green. What we know about the Go Green? That we shouldn't, we have to save our Mother Earth. Children will learn on what to cultivate and towards the Mother Earth. That means children will know reuse, recycle, and other things like electricity. They have to save the electricity. All the things we will cover in this Go Green Week. Okay, next. Okay, and then we will get the information for the children based on the reduce, reuse and recycle, like tree planting. Just now I told that electricity, wastage of electricity, how to save that also, and also usage of water. Okay, next. Okay, this is the video of gratitude. Okay, let me, before that, wait, let me tell, okay. Sandhya, stop for a while, this one. Okay, in case parents, if you all have any questions, you can drop your question in the chat box. Okay, later we will collect the questions, end of the session. Okay, last week of the activity, whatever last previous year, the activity, the children's that they did in the class, online class, we have some activities here. Just want to show about the activity. The activity slide, please.
Thank you, Guru. Love you all, Guru. Thank you, Guru. For the card, Guru, I really like it. And first, my mother asked me what was the letter from post. So I went and I saw it. So I quickly opened it and saw this card. Thank you, Guru. I love you so much.
Okay, this is the artwork from the children. They did last class time. Activity time, we will give the artwork, online artwork. They will do it and they will post it in the Google Classroom. All these pictures. Okay. Okay, let's hear the testimonial that what the children talk about Balvikas.
Try here.
Sairam everyone, I'm Malat, Sujitra's mom. Today we are going to share our experience about Balvika's learning. Shall we start, darling?
Yes, Amma can.
Okay. Why you like to attend Balvika's classes, darling?
Because all my beloved gurus are loving, kind, and very good to me.
That's good. What you learn in Balvika's, darling?
Mantras, a lot of mantras, bhajans, stories.
Did you love all that?
Yes.
Okay. I want to know whether you got implement that in your daily life or not.
Yes.
Example, please, darling.
I will read mantras a lot daily.
Yes, true. Some more?
But I will tell stories that I will tell my sister stories that I learn in Balvikas.
Yeah, that's true. So that's good. Thank you, darling.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. Me, as a parent, encourage my kids to attend Balvikas every time without fail because they get to know a lot of good values from Balvikas. And I also feel so happy and would like to say thank you to all my beloved gurus. Thank you so much, gurus, for the effort.
Okay. Previous one, Sandhya, previous slide, please. Okay, our class every Sunday, 4:30 to 5:45 p.m. for the year of 2021 onwards. Okay, next. Another slide. Testimonial.
Auntie, just now the testimonial already done, Auntie. We are
Oh, okay. Okay, we still got time. Dear parents, if you want to ask any questions, you can put the questions or you can unmute yourself and ask.
Sairam Auntie, we will have a photography session now, Auntie.
Okay. Okay. Dear parents, you all can on your camera because we have a photo sessions now. All of you on your camera, please. Parents together with the children, everyone. Even gurus also. All there, Danusha? Can see everyone?
One more, Auntie.
Okay, who is that? I can't see all the screen.
Parent Mayuri.
Mayuri. Okay, Keshana is there? Keshana Vijay? And the mother, Mayuri? Sister Mayuri? Camera now?
Yeah, Keshana is not here. I'm here.
Oh, okay. Keshana is there?
No. She's not here, Guru.
Okay. All of you, okay, ready? Danusha?
When
I'll be taking it.
and Shashmita will take the picture.
Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Sushmita, hold on. Vanessa, next slide, Vanessa. Yeah, okay. So now one more. No. Yeah, this one. All right.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Give me a minute. Take another one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Thank you.
We have still got time here? Shashmita?
Yes, Auntie.
We still got time, isn't it?
Yes, you got 5 minutes. So they can ask their questions.
Okay. Now question time. If any parents already dropped the questions in the chat box? Parents, if you want to ask any questions, this is the time. We still got 5 minutes to go.
Okay, can you want me to talk something?
Anything to ask? Okay, just want to inform you all before that. Next week, our welcoming week, and we encourage all the parents to join together with the students also, with your child, because we will introduce all the 4 weeks lesson in the welcoming week. If you know more details, or especially the new parents there, is Sister Padma is there? Sister Padma? She's not here?
No, Auntie, she's not here.
Okay. She's a new parents here. The rest all previously they are already here. Okay, those children who have child to next class for the, for example, Roshvindram, your Roshvindram brother supposed to go to nursery class. Okay, you all wait in the call. After this, like something like Sister Devane, your 2 child also is already in group 2, so that you have to wait for the call. Okay, so you can you all don't have any children to attend the next class, you can leave the call. The rest, like nursery, some children, some parents here, Keshana, Parents is here. Keshana?
Yeah.
Kanisha? Kanisha is here. Okay, Sri Rajaram, brother. Saram, brother.
Salam, salam.
Okay. I think your second child will be in nursery.
Yes.
Sister is there, right?
Yeah, she's
Okay, that means you can leave the call. Thank you, brother. Saira.
Beg your pardon. That means I can end my call, eh?
You can end your call.
Thank
The
you.
sister is still there. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Sister Menaha.
Oh, yes, Guru.
Okay, you hold the call because they will send you to the nursery class. Because
Okay, Guru.
is it? Okay.
Yes.
Sister Malar.
Yes, Guru.
Okay, you hold the call. Don't leave the call. Let's start. All in ready, right? Okay, supposed to be 12 parents here, including our Guru Sharmi also. Let me check. Okay. Parents, welcoming all of you to our Balvikas Group 1 2021. Sairam to children also. Okay. Hope they will enjoy themselves to joining this year online class. Okay, we really missed our physical class. Okay. Next slide, please. Okay. Okay, parents and children, this is for Group 1 2021 Gurus. Myself, Guru Chitra, Guru Veni, Guru Rani, Guru Sharmi, Guru Anbarsi, Guru Venisa, Guru Sandhya, Guru Shashmita, Guru Ishwari, and Guru Danusha. Okay. All these Guru will take turn and teach each and every week for the Balvikas Group 1 class. Okay. Next slide, please. Okay, this is the promo. No sound, Sandhya? Volume?
This is the maximum volume, Auntie.
Maximum volume.
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Again, please.
Akka, are you sharing the computer audio?
Okay.
Yeah, checked.
Akka, there is no sound, Akka.
No sound at all.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, there's no sound. I think you didn't join in the computer audio.
Yes, Akka.
Where am I supposed to go and check?
Akka, unshare, and then when you're sharing the screen below there's option.
Mute. Which one am I supposed to click? Leave computer audio?
Okay, Sandhya, if no sound means maybe we can skip this video. We can put the testimonial video, Sandhya.
Okay. Hold on, Auntie. Hold on.
Okay, Saram parents, if you have any questions in between you want to ask about our Balvikas Group 1 class, you can put your question in the chat box. Okay, let's go for the guidelines. Our class guidelines, every week what we're supposed to do and what we're not supposed to do, okay? Okay, always mute your microphone, don't unmute. Turn off your video. Whenever Guru said you must off on the video, we want to see, well, normally we will do on the silent sitting time, we will ask the child to on the video. That time only they will on the video, okay? Question via chat box only. Don't unmute. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, always for the Group 1 class, parents always must be with the child. The place that you're having the class is always must be in the quiet environment. Next slide. Okay, whenever children start their Bal Vikas class, want to come and join the class, must compulsory, they must wear in the white attire. If not necessary, now online class we are going on, right? Normally physical class, we will have like a girls for Punjabi shirt, boys jippa like that, white dress. Okay, but come back to online class, even the t-shirt, white t-shirt, but make sure the girls, they wear the shawl, white shawl, okay? And then no headphones or earphones. Next slide, please. This is very important. That last week we got all this problem here. Okay. Normally, while Bal Vikas is going on about 1 hour 15 minutes only. So please make sure that the child eats before Bal Vikas. No feeding while Bal Vikas and no eating, no food while Bal Vikas. Okay. The discipline must be here. Thank you. Next slide. Okay, what do we learn in our Bal Vikas? Everyone want to know, right? I know that some parents from nursery, some parents from different group, and some parents newcomers also here for the group 1. Okay, let's know. Everyone want to know? Okay, next slide, please. Okay, this is the 5 elements that we are teaching in the Sai values, that is called truth, non-violence, peace, right conduct, and love. Okay, next slide. Okay, what we learn? No. Previous slide, please. Previous slide. Okay, what we learn in the this 5 weeks. Normally, these 5 we will cover in the value week. Okay. First, I would like to say that we have a 32 weeks Bal Vikas. The lessons 32 weeks we will cover from January until October. So from these 32, we will divide 4 categories. That is called Swami's Week, Value Week, Interfaith, and also Go Green Week. So every week we will cover all these 5 elements here. All this based on the silent sitting, group singing, group activity, storytelling, and also the mantras, all that. Okay. Next slide. Okay, Swami's Day. What we learn, what children learn in Swami's Day is Swami's life story, his family story based on his message also. Next slide, please. Okay, from here, from nursery, last time basic only. For whoever study from nursery, they come here 6, 7, and 8, 3 years they will be here. So for the nursery, they don't learn Namavali. They come here, then only they start their Namavali. For 3 years, we will divide into 3. Each year, 18 Namavalis. We will cover only 54 Namavalis for 3 years. Okay. Other than that, we will teach. Actually, Swami, he is a incarnation of Shirdi Sai Baba. So in that case, we will learn about Sati Sai Baba's birth and his life story and also his family tree. Okay, next slide. Value Day. Children learn mantras based on different God form. Slide, please. Ganesha mantra, something like Ganesha mantra, Gayatri mantra, like Amman mantra, Murugan mantra. Next slide, Amma. Okay, all these mantras, no, not only these 4 mantras, we have other mantras also. Only we show some examples of these other mantras that we are learning. Other than that, we have learned other mantras. We will teach in the class also. Okay. Okay. So this is on the value week. Also, we will cover the 5 techniques. 5 techniques, and also like the silent sitting based on the value. What value? If let's say the love means, we will teach on the love. Based on the love, the sub value we will take, and then we will teach the mantras on the particular week. Also, the songs will come and activity also based on the value. Okay, next slide. Interfaith Day. Children will learn about God form of other religion and their culture as well. Okay, slide please. Okay, if I see the list of name parents here, most of them their children in group 3 and group 2 also. Previously, last year, I mean the parents, your children is already in group 3. That means you already experienced what the children are learning in the class, isn't it? So this is the interfaith one. Interfaith is, let's say, the Ganeshas and family. We are teaching for the child. We will pick Ganesha mantra, whatever we learn in the value week, and we will apply here for the revision session also. And then not only for the Ganesha, like Muruga or different God form. Next slide, Amma. Okay, Guru Nanak, Kuan Yin, Buddhism. Or like the Buddhism means like Chinese New Year, one Kuan Yin, sometimes Kuan Yin we will take, then Chinese New Year, like Hari Raya, all the culture, like in Malaysia, children have to know, right? So we will use this interfaith week to teach the children in the particular week. Okay, next slide. Okay, Go Green Week, children will learn on ways to cultivate the love towards Mother Earth. What the children learn here, we will teach the children how to save energy, save water, the electricity, and then the bottles, like last time in the center when physical class is going on time, our Go Green Week, we will have particular in every month, children will bring the plastic. That is the, I something want to tell about the award also. Like this one, like last time children, they will collect and they will bring, they will get the points. They will get the points. Then end of the day, they will see which class is having the more points on the collecting of the recycled things. All these recycled things we will collect and we will sell it and take the contribution to the center account. Okay, so this one, for this, next slide please. These are the things that we educate the child to reduce, reuse, and recycle. And tree planting also, we will teach the child. We will teach the child, means the lesson will come, how to apply it in their daily life. How to love our Mother Earth. Okay, next please. Okay, let's look the gratitude video from our children last year that they took part. Some children are here, some children they already entered to group 2. Okay, let's move for the video session now. Volume please.
Thank you, Guru. Love you all, Guru. Thank you, Guru. For the kind Guru, I really
They all still remain in our class. Some she already entered to group 2.
My mother asked me to go take the letter from the post. So I went and I saw it. So I quickly opened it and said, to come. Then I love you so much.
Okay, the testimonial. This is the artwork from the students that last year, just now I mentioned that the activity part that we are giving work for the children whoever done the work, they will put in the Google Classroom. Okay, let's see a few artwork from the children. Okay, these are a few things, the artwork. And next slide. Okay, let's hear a few things from our children, what they think about Bal Vikas, and they are sharing session here. Boleh, Mama?
Salam everyone, I'm Malat, Chitra's mom. Today we are going to share our experience about Bal Vikas learning. Shall we start, darling?
Yes, Amma can.
Okay. Why you like to attend Bal Vikas classes, darling?
Because all my beloved gurus are loving, kind, and very good me.
That's good. What you learn in Balvikas, darling?
Mantras, a lot of mantras, bhajans, stories.
Did you learn all that?
Yes.
Okay. And I want to know whether you got implement that in your daily life or not.
Yes.
Example, please, darling.
I will read mantras a lot daily.
Yes, true. Some more.
But I will tell stories that I will tell my sister stories that I learned in Balvikas.
Yeah, that's true. So that's good. Thank you, darling.
Welcome.
Okay. Me, as a parent, encourage my kids to attend Balvikas every time without fail because they get to know a lot of good values from Balvikas. And I also feel so happy and would like to say thank you to all my beloved gurus. Thank you so much, gurus, for the effort.
Saira. My name is Sarvesh Rao. I am 9 years old. I am attending Bali class since 6 years old. I like to go Bali class because I can learn many important messages from Swami. Bali class also taught me values, and also I learned Bali songs. At last, I thank my parents and all of the gurus giving me so much of knowledge. Thank you, Saina.
Thank you to all gurus and SSPC Pandaklang management to spend more time with our children. My son enrolls Balvikas classes since he aged 6 and this year he is shifting to group number 2. For the past 3 years, he has been taking part into Swami's activities as well as learning more bhajan songs. Every morning, he starts praying and singing a bhajan songs with Swami. Sarvesh shares to me that Balvikas classes are very interesting and interactive, which makes him not to miss any of the classes. I would take this opportunity to dedicate a special thanks to SSPC Bantaklang Gurus and Education. Om Sai Ram.
Okay, I think one more video is there.
Auntie, our session will be ending soon, Auntie.
One more video, ma.
Auntie, our session will be ending soon, Auntie. So we will soon we'll leave the breakout session.
Okay. Parents, just want to inform you all, our class for every Sunday, 4:30 to 5:45 p.m. Sunday next week. We hope to see all of you for the next week welcoming class. Before that, please on your video, all of you. Now we have a photo session, please.